Here we have the front of the building. It's an 8-foot by 12-foot fiberglass building. Generator sits inside, completely out of the weather. Here we have the unit and the cabinet. Backside we've got dual rotometers where we feed a portion of the solution to the front of the plant for the raw water. The other is fed to the pre-filters for a little extra TOC removal for the filters. The inside of the unit, behind glass doors, we have the actual reductor itself, pressure gauges, vacuum gauges, and the flow meter on the far side. This flow meter is the paddle wheel indicator for the flow rate to the generator. The actual generator itself is the blue. Chemicals are injected at the bottom of the vacuum. Sulfuric acid is injected on this side, motorized ball valve on it, wall film metering pumps. Puree is injected on the other side, and ball valve motorized. On the touch screen, you can adjust feed rates, dose rates, mils per minute, calibration, and everything from these screens. You can see it's got the acid, the concentration, the mils per minute it actually is putting out, the mils per minute they're putting out on the purate side, the pounds per hour of what it's set on, the flow pacing of 11 gallons per minute and what ppm dosage we're sending out currently, and then the flow rate from the motive water, all that's figured in and calibrated and adjusted inside. We have an alarm screen, have a trend screen where you can see vacuums, pressures. When things go haywire, you can look at it closer, further out. You have the vent and alarm. What's green is what's open and running. Different solenoids and relays that it can control. You got this screen here is where you can adjust and set for the total chlorine dioxide produced. A resettable timer, which we try to do once a month. It was reset today, but anyway, we try to do that. And then you have a lockout tagout screen where the key code changes every time you access this screen, and you can tell the people how to get in or get out. There's a method to the numbers that you add together to get to the touch screen, put them in, and there you are. And that's kind of it. Also has a generator start stop, mains and power on, a manual emergency stop, and it has a bypass production valve here where if you lose internal control, you can turn it on to minimum, medium, or high, and you can produce ClO2 at those three levels based on the output of the machine. This is currently an AD5. It was built in 2013, installed in 2014. And it will produce 12 pounds per hour maximum on this particular unit. If you want a larger size, the internals change, the motive of water flow changes, but the inductor is pretty much the same size up for the next 2 or 3 sizes. On the back side, we have a variable frequency drive booster pump. In case we lose motive of water, we need to be able to booster it. We have a VFD drive where we can adjust the flow rate and pressure as we needed. It has a motorized ball valve and the main kill switch on the back. Motorized ball valve for the water in it to prevent water handling. Here are the two 5,500 gallon storage tanks for the purate and the acid. They are a dual containment high density polyethylene tanks. The quick mate or safety mate ball valve on the purate side is a single-sided ball valve that requires the mate on the trailer to be connected before it can be offloaded, so that you can't hook a conventional 2-inch cam lock to it and offload. The other tank, 78% pure sulfuric acid. It has a 2-inch 4-bolt flange stainless steel that the truck driver brings the other portion of that as well. Change out a Teflon gasket each time the load is delivered.